Excel Solutions. Tired of manual tasks and messy workbooks? MIK Excel Solutions is here to change how you work. Founded by March Ivan Carl S. Deonden, this personal Excel service builds custom Microsoft Excel tools or upgrades your existing ones, all designed to make your daily tasks faster, more accurate, and smarter. MIK Excel Solutions delivers automated workbooks, smart formulas, user-friendly dashboards, and powerful VBA tools, all built to make your work faster, easier, and more efficient. With every tool designed for performance and simplicity, MIK Excel Solutions helps you do more in less time, because at the end of the day, we work better. Terms of use and commitment. MIK Excel Solutions creates tools to help users work more efficiently. However, MIK Excel Solutions is not responsible for any mistakes or errors in results, reports, or summaries that may result from using these tools. To keep everything running smoothly and avoid accidental changes, some tools come with password protection. Some workbooks may have expiration dates to make sure everyone is using the latest version and to help keep all copies secure, up-to-date, and easy to manage. Only MIK Excel Solutions is authorized to unlock or unprotect the files, change or update the VBA code and features, and add new functions or make major structural changes. Password requests will be politely declined to ensure each tool continues to work as intended. Need a change? Contact MIK Excel Solutions. For edits or updates beyond basic user access, please contact MIK Excel Solutions, Mr. March Ivan Carl S. Deonden. MIK Excel Solutions is committed to keeping your tools effective and tailored to your goals. Agreement. By using any workbook, file, or tool from MIK Excel Solutions, Mr. March Ivan Carl S. Deonden, the user agrees to follow the usage terms, including proper handling, protection, and restrictions on modifications, as set and maintained by MIK Excel Solutions.